is my new diffusers. Just put them on. Makes the back look sick. I don't know if you can see them in the picture. There are my diffusers. This is the Batmobile, the Beast. This is the Beast. (2016) C7. 1 LT. 7,140 miles. This is the Beast. This is my weekend and my car show car. I don't know if they're going to come out in the video.